Strike out. To remove with a line. The editor struck out several words. She struck out the wrong entry. Blot out. To remove or hide by covering. The thick clouds blotted out the sun. He tried to blot out the painful memory. Chuck out. To throw away or discard. They chucked out the old magazines. The teacher chucked out the troublemaker from class. Clean out. To empty completely. She cleaned out the closet last weekend. The burglars cleaned out the safe. Count out. To exclude from participation. You can count me out of this risky plan. He felt upset when they counted him out of the game. Cross out. To remove by drawing a line through. Please cross out the wrong answer. She crossed out the old address on the envelope. Cut out. To remove by cutting. The dentist cut out the decayed part of the tooth. He cut out the picture from the newspaper. Fall out. To separate or be removed by falling. His wallet fell out of his pocket. Her hair started to fall out after the treatment. Press out. To remove liquid by pressing. She pressed out the juice from the orange. He pressed out the water from the wet cloth. Pull out. To remove by pulling. She pulled out a nail from the wall. He pulled out his phone from his pocket. Root out. To remove completely, as if pulling it up by the roots. The new manager tried to root out corruption. I spent a day in the garden, rooting out rose bushes. Rub out. To remove by rubbing. She rubbed out the pencil mark. He tried to rub out the stain on the table. Smoke out. To force someone or something out by smoke or pressure. The police smoked out the criminals hiding inside. They smoked out the bees from the tree. Throw out. To discard or remove. She threw out the old shoes. They threw him out of the club. Slip out of. To remove oneself quietly or easily. She slipped out of the room without anyone noticing. He slipped out of his jacket quickly. Crop out. To remove part of an image or scene. She cropped out the unwanted background from the photo. He cropped out the stranger from the family picture. Kick out. To force someone to leave. The manager kicked out the rude customer. He was kicked out of the game for breaking the rules. Spit out. To remove something from the mouth. He spat out the bitter medicine. She quickly spat out the gum before class. Rinse out. To clean quickly with water. He rinsed out the bottle before using it. She rinsed out the shampoo from her hair. Phase out. To gradually remove or stop. The company phased out old machines. They phased out the outdated policy. Toss out. Meaning, to throw away. She tossed out the spoiled food. He tossed out the broken toy.